There's Todd, M.O., trying to make a little hill sled on his backyard. They're staying all suited up.
What do you mean, Stan? I've been surfing this thing all day. Check it out.
You gotta pack it.
Woo!
Stone to cut my groove. The snow shovels aren't here, Stan. It's out here.
Yeah, there you go. Whew. It's freezing out here in North Carolina. There's Sandy. Woo. Start making a bigger hill. But I'm freezing here.
You gotta get it in that groove. That way you don't gotta worry about it kicking out on you.
Whew. Right now we're on a highway, as you can see. There's people right here, but my mom's going back out here. These fire pits. Shoot! Ooh. There's Sin's car, Todd's car, all packed up, and Big Todd's car, our neighbor. Woo! Guys, he's not get the camera that wet. There you go. God, it's freezing. Oh, I'm going back inside. Here it is.
Hey, close that gate though. What if the dog gets out the door? Shit.
Wait. Okay, hold on. We got it. Okay, coming up.
Okay.